Hi, welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Today I'm going to tell you all about the medicinal benefits of parsley. It's not just a garnish for your beautiful dinners, you guys. You can actually use this to improve your health. First, let's go out to the garden and see what it looks like. Parsley is such a common herb that you probably all already know what it looks like, but I thought I would show you all of this beautiful parsley growing in my garden. I figured most of you already knew what parsley looked like, but sometimes it's just fun to see what it looks like growing in the garden as opposed to, at the grocery store aisle. As you can see, I have a big giant bin here, which is not even close to how much I have out there. I'm gonna have to call some neighbors and friends to share it with. So even though I have tons and tons out there, this is all I'm gonna work with today. I'm gonna dry some in my dehydrator, and then I'm gonna also make a tincture with a little bit of it. The tincture, parsley tincture, is something that we use quite a lot of in a family that's predominantly full of women, and I will tell you why in just a second. So it's not that men can't get urinary tract infections, they do. It's just more common in females. And a parsley tincture works really great for all kinds of urinary problems, whether that's a urinary tract infection or even kidney stones. If you don't want to take a tincture, you can make a tea either out of fresh plant material or dried, whichever you like. A tea or a tincture is going to be really good also for digestive issues, fluid retention, high blood pressure, asthma, constipation, and inflammation. You can also use it as a mouthwash to deal with bad breath and just clean your mouth right up for you. There's also been studies that show parsley in all of its forms, whether it's a tea or a tincture or whatever, is good for cancer prevention. Something I suggest that all of us do is a heavy metal detox, and parsley is excellent as part of a blood detox. As a salve, it's really good for nerve pain and eczema. That's why I make both the tincture and the salve. And I do like to keep some on hand for people who don't like tinctures so that they can make a tea. And just a quick word of caution, high doses of a parsley tincture or a tea can stimulate menstruation, so I recommend that pregnant women do not use this. However, you can eat as much as you want. It's not gonna do anything bad to you. You could use a salve and you're not gonna absorb enough through your skin to stimulate a menstruation. And last but not least, it is high in vitamin C. So enjoy your parsley, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to leave me a comment, let me know what you think, tell me what you use parsley for if I haven't already mentioned it, and maybe tell us what your favorite recipe is. When I dry parsley, like vast amounts of it, and I put it in everything, but my favorite thing to put it in is porcupine meatballs. Now I don't actually use porcupine in the meatballs, but it's one of my favorite recipes. I got it from my mother-in-law, and I use tons and tons of parsley in it, and for some reason it is just absolutely incredible. So if you want to know how to make a porcupine meatball, let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!